How to install Roblox on iPhone, step by step. If you want to play Roblox games on your iPhone, you can easily download the official Roblox app from the App Store. First, open the App Store. Once the App Store opens, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now type Roblox in the search bar and select the official Roblox app from the search results. Tap the Get button to start downloading the app. You may need to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait for a few moments until the download and installation process is completed. Once you see the Open button, tap on it to launch Roblox. When you open Roblox for the first time, you can sign in with your existing account or create a new account if you are a new user. After logging in, you can browse different games, join experiences, and start playing Roblox on your iPhone. So that's how you can download and install Roblox on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.